Hello guys, so there is a wonderful government job update in this video that is from the NPCIL, that is Nuclear Power Corporation of India Limited. We are going to read through the notification. I'll be sharing with you all the important information and also I'll be telling you how to apply for this, the last date and everything. So please watch the video till the end. It's not going to be long, it's going to be a very short video. And I'll be giving you where I have put the notification link, apply link, everything. So the Nuclear Power Corporation of India Limited, that is NPCIL, Tarapur, Maharashtra is hiring for various categories. So before even seeing the categories, they have given the application has already commented. No, it is going to start actually. Sorry, very soon it is going to start 15th January. 4th February is the last day to apply. 4th February is the last day to pay fees also. So there is different categories of recruitment like scientific assistant, Stipendiary Trainee, X-ray technician, and assistant. You can see the post and the numbers here. Okay, so there is good enough vacancy for electrical, instrumentation, electronics, etc. So that's why I have thought of making this video. So scientific assistant, civil, stipendiary trainee for mechanical, instrumentation, electrical, health, physics, electronics also. Stipendiary trainee again for next category, that is plant operator, electronic mechanic, mechanist, fitter, turner, instrument mechanic, mason. So this is for ITA category. From the branches itself, it is clear. You can see the total vacancies also on the side. So there is good number of vacancies for electrical, electronics, and instrumentation, and also for different ITA categories. There is assistant grade HR, F&A, C and MM. So that is general categories. Okay, so that is the different categories of recruitment. The number of vacancies also they have given to each post. So if you see, there is two vacancies total for electrical, instrumentation, two vacancies, and electronics, one vacancy. That is a stipendiary trainee. So a lot of people have previously written this examination of stipendiary trainee, and we have been doing preparation classes. We'll be starting that soon in our channel. So please wait for that series. Okay, let's scroll down and see the qualification needed. So here they have mentioned that if you want to apply for the stipendiary trainee for different categories, you need to have a mechanical, you need to have a diploma. Okay, so diploma in engineering with a 60% mark, not less than 60% mark is the requirement. Okay, 2 years of diploma in engineering in relevant degree and lateral entry through second year of HSC is also eligible. So you need to have 60% and a diploma. That is a qualification needed. So different categories they have mentioned. For electrical, you need to have diploma electrical. Electronics, all the streams of electronics are eligible. Okay. Now scientific assistant B, civil, again diploma in civil engineering and diploma in civil and rural engineering. Yeah. Then stipendiary trainee assistant science graduates BSc 60% mark. Okay. So you can see the qualification details also. So if you are interested, please go through it. For the next category of ITI, stipendiary trainees, you need to have ITI in the different, um, you know, branches. Yes, category trainee, then, category stipendiary trainee, operator, you need to have HSC or ISC in science stream with physics, chemistry, maths as subject with 50% of marks. So 50% and above is also eligible. Okay, so here it is. For most of the posts, it is like 50% and above. Talking about the salary details, it is actually very good. Category 1, stipendiary trainee. Candidates should have minimum height 160 centimeter, minimum weight 45.5 kilograms. Okay, duration of the training is 1.5 years. For the second category 2 of stipendiary trainee is 24 months. Payment is 24,000, 26,000 for category 1, 20,000 and 22,000. And also there is also book allowance is given. Okay, yeah, category 1 stipendiary trainee, again diploma graduate, age limited also they have mentioned. You can see all those details here. Okay, now let us see the salary. Totally they have given scientific assistant salary is 55,932. So after the training you will be considered as for the full time, but there is also certain set of internal examinations and certain set of probation period is also there. After that, then your pay level will be like this, level 6 pay. Okay, So similarly for technician B, X-ray technician assistant grade, they have given the details here. Okay. Now let us scroll down and see here the selection process and details. Yeah. So talking about the selection process for the Stipendiary trainee, you can see detailed selection process. Stage 1 is online test. Stage 2 is personal interview. Yeah, that is going to be the selection process for Stipendiary trainee. So if you want me to make a detailed video on the selection process of the Stipendiary trainee, I'll be doing that. Okay. So selection, anyway, understand there is a test and then there is an interview for the Stipendiary trainee. That is mainly the electronics related stream. So for that there is a detailed description of test and also a detailed description of interview they have given. Similarly for all the other streams, they have given the selection process. Okay. Yeah. Then there is, after the interview, there is obviously document verification and things. Okay. So let us scroll down and go to the application section. So how to apply here? So eligible candidates, you can apply through the online application form provided on the website. So I'll be posting this link. You can click here and go to the website. So understand the last date is February 4th. So there is enough time. Sometimes the website will be a little, you know, more populated because of the users they are using, that are using. So please wait, or please try to log in off timing periods when the users are less. Okay, so you can get the link here. You can go to the link on the online registration section or on the opportunities section. You can find the notification. Click on the application online registration. You can start to apply from 15th of January. So you have to wait 3 more days. Okay. So online registration step by step. Click on the apply online registration, and then click on the please furnish all the important information and try to apply. So you have to upload various documents, that is education qualification, post-qualification work experience document, personal details, upload photo signature. So these are the details you have to fill in, and also you have to furnish certain documents. You have to upload your photo and signature and submit the form. Okay, let's talk about the fees for applying. Category 1 Stipendiary trainee, 150 rupees is the fees, and X-ray technician, it is 100 rupees. SC/ST candidates, persons with disabilities, ex-servicemen, and DODP/KIA, and female applicants. Very good information actually. For female applicants, there is no fees. No fees for the female applicants. Okay, so I think this is a must try job opportunity for a lot of people, especially for female candidates, because there is no fees. Now talking about one thing, here you can see the notification is, if you start a notification, the first page is Hindi fully. So, but if you go to the page 21st, the same application form English version is available. So you can go and read out that. Okay. So that's all for the video. A lot of people are asking for government job opportunities, so I'm trying to post more and more opportunities. Now, where to find the apply link? I will be posting on our Instagram handle, because I'm fully, working on the Instagram handle now. A lot of videos, a lot of friendly contents is there, job aspirants, and if you're preparing for interviews, please go check out the Instagram handle. Link I'll be posting on the description. Okay. So please check the stories, and also please join the broadcast channel. I'll be posting everything in the broadcast channel of the Instagram. That's it. Thanks for watching. Keep on watching.